Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to install Metamask on your Chromium based browser. So let's go on and head on to metamask.io. Once you're here, you're going to want to click on download now, and then you'll click install Metamask for Chrome. This will open up the Chrome web store and you'll click on add to Chrome and then add extension so that it adds it to your web browser. Now after it downloads the extension and installs it, it's gonna open up a new tab for you, and that's where you're gonna do the setup for Metamask. Here we see our Metamask tab has opened up and this little fox is following us, so let's go ahead and get started. Now over here we're not gonna import a wallet, but rather we're gonna create a new wallet. And over here you can choose to agree or not to share your data to improve Metamask. And then we can generate a password. Now after you create your password and mark that you have read and agreed to the terms of use, click create, and then there will be a small video on how to store your recovery phrase and what is it. It is basically the only way you can access your wallet, so make sure to carefully follow this video as well as all the recommendations regarding it. Now you'll click next. After you click next, you're gonna be on the recovery phrase page, and this is where you're gonna need to write this phrase down. It's gonna consist of 12 words. Do not share these words with anybody else. This wallet itself is not gonna be used by anybody, so hence why I'm showing you guys the recovery phrase. Now let's go ahead and copy all of this and paste it into Notepad, because we're gonna need that in a minute. And also make sure you store it somewhere on a paper or another location where you will not lose it. Let's go ahead and click next, and now we're gonna have to put the recovery phrase in the same exact order as it was provided to us. Let's go ahead and do that. Once you do that, go ahead and click confirm, and then that's it. That's all you need to do to have your Metamask wallet set up. So there you go.